In this video I'm gonna show you how to reverse video in CapCut Video Editing App. It's a super easy process. To learn it, watch the full video. First of all, you have to open your CapCut Video Editing App. Then tap on New Project. Now from here, select your video. Then tap on Add. By following this, your video will be imported to the app. As you can see that, my video is very simple. Now I'm gonna reverse this video. At the tools bar, you will see an option called Edit. Tap on this. Now slide left little bit. Then, you will see Reverse option. Tap on it. It will take few seconds according to your video size. Our work has been done. Here is the output. To export this video, tap on the upper arrow sign. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you face any problem, then please comment.